Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Welcome to another video. I am on the island of the Dominican Republic, actually in the north part of the island in a town called Cabarete, and this is a bit more of a touristy place compared to my previous videos when I was in Punta Cana, Santo Domingo, Puerto Plata and Sosua. Here I am actually staying in a really nice little apartment just about a minute from the beach, and also there's a really incredible swimming pool here. But in this video I'm gonna show you what it's like to live here in Cabarete in the Dominican Republic. I will be going to the grocery store, and I will be going to the beach, I'll be going to the gym, and also the restaurant and also walk around in the town here a bit. It was a really nice neighborhood and a bit more quiet because the whole town only has 14,000 people, and a lot of people from Canada and the United States come here to retire. This place where I'm staying is really nice because it's just about 2 minutes down to the beach, a minute or two, and also you have a fully functioning kitchen, which is good. I had been staying in hotels for the past weeks, so it was really nice to have a kitchen again and be able to cook. But the best part is the view of the swimming pool here, and also the quick access to the beach. And also the sun is quite strong here today, so we're just gonna put on a little bit of sunscreen before we head out so we don't fry ourselves completely. I'm gonna start out by going to the grocery store and showing you the grocery store here, and also walking through the town a bit. I have to buy some groceries because I have nothing in the fridge. So let's head out on the street here and go to the grocery store. So there are a few different apartment complexes here within this apartment complex, and also a front gate with 24-hour security. So that's also great. So you cannot come in here to the actual apartment complex unless you live here. But if you don't live here, then you need to show your ID by the gate. Here we're coming out to the main street. There's one big road going through the whole town. There is only one main street that goes through the town, and on the inside of it, apartment complexes and hotels. That's quite good, because once you're on the inside of the main street and the beach side, there won't be any cars or motorbikes. There are a lot of stores here also, electronic stores, the bank, and the grocery store is just a bit further down here. So I'll be walking over there now and seeing what I can buy there. The whole town and all the stores are located on the main street, and I'd also seen 3 major banks.
Here we have a pharmacy and the bank, Banco Santa Cruz. Here's also another bank, Popular. Also Scotiabank.
There are a lot of stores on both sides and restaurants on the beach. I was inside the supermarket called Janet's, and it was quite big and modern. Here is a really big supermarket, actually, really modern, and they have a bunch of stuff here, almost anything you want to buy. Yeah, it's a really big, huge supermarket. Here we have some milk. I'm gonna get some milk, actually. 90 pesos for some milk, 74 pesos for this one. The prices seemed similar to the United States or Europe, which was strange, since minimum wage here can be as low as $200 per month.
Pasta, let's see how much the pasta costs here. 36 pesos, that's like 50 cents. Beans, 70 pesos, $1.30. Here we have some bread. How much does that cost? 100, no, 88. Cheese, 85 pesos. Ham, 66 pesos. 230. 1 pound. Chicken, 1.6 pounds, 240 pesos.
I came out of the grocery store and I got one bag full of groceries and two smaller plastic bags. 2,000 pesos. It was pretty good. On my way back, I walked through some green areas and came out to the beach side where there are a lot of coffee shops and cafes. So we sat down to have some coffee.
Pretty good?
Yeah, how are you?
Very good. What
You sell something?
Yeah.
What is this?
We got everything in here.
Bracelets, brazaletas,
Yeah, a lot of bracelets. Where are you from?
Sweden, Suecia. So we came out of the grocery store and then started walking on the road and went into the beach and sat down here at the coffee shop. Roman is gonna have a coffee and I'm gonna take my groceries and walk back to the apartment here. I decided to walk back on the beach instead. Where I'm staying is just a few minutes this way. And it's so nice here on the beach. Just had to put my groceries back and then go to the gym. I'll show you the gym and also the swimming pool where I live and a restaurant. They have some really good food here also in a lot of restaurants. This place did not seem like the typical tourist destination. Instead, a place where people come to relax and enjoy the beach and the atmosphere. Now I'm back to the place here, and there's an entrance to the apartment complex also from the beach. And there's a security guard that sits here and guards the entrance all day. Here it is on the left side. I'm almost back now. It's so hot. Oof. The sweat is dripping. Oof. I am back. Oof. Hot, hot, hot. Oh. It was very hot, so I turned on the AC. The electricity costs about 20 cents per kilowatt hour. I think I have to go and cool off in the swimming pool before we go to the gym. The grocery store was really modern. So that's really nice. You have grocery store, you have everything you need here in this town. And yeah, it's great success. I bought a lot of pasta, milk, and chips, rice, beans, bunch of veggies, pasta sauce, chicken, ham, and cheese. My friends, it's time for some tricks. Time for some tricks. I was gonna do a little handstand and then a flip off of this bridge here, but it's made out of wood and it's a bit wobbly, so we don't want to risk having it break here. So we're gonna have to do a regular handstand and then fall over. We just have to dry up a bit here now and then get ready for the gym. And the weather is so nice. I'm so happy that I'm not in a cold country right now where it's dark and cold and cloudy. I think sunshine makes you much happier. Cold weather clouds and darkness makes you kind of sad, I think. It's usually for me like that when I'm in a cold place during the winter time. It's hard to be happy. Whew, so nice here, but I don't know why there are no people here. Maybe they are afraid of the frying. They are afraid to get deeply fried. There's not a single cloud in the sky today. It's amazing, actually. I came back from the swimming pool. I'm gonna go meet my friend Roman that you've seen previously in the video. We're going to the gym and then eat at the restaurant. The gym has AC here. It's only $2 to go there. It's on the other side of the road. 100 pesos per time or 700 pesos per 2 weeks. Yeah. So we finished at the gym, and here's a restaurant that I've been going to for lunch. It costs 250 pesos, so that's like $4.50 for a pretty good meal. The food is really good, and I think considering how much the things cost in the grocery store this morning, you can almost not make a cheaper meal on your own. Like, it's really worth it to eat there at the restaurant. Cool off, cooling off a bit. I'm gonna go running with Roman. Actually, when I met him not long ago, he was drinking and smoking, but now he's living so healthy. He's the one that's pushing me to go to the gym and go running. We went to the gym earlier, and now we're going running. So it's nice to see. I think it's easy to get trapped in some bad habits like drinking and smoking and stuff. But if you can turn it around, then go to the gym and go running instead, you're gonna feel much better. You get the same type of feelings from running, or much better. You know, when you smoke or drink, you get a temporary spike in happiness. You start to feel happy, right, when you drink a bit of alcohol. But in the long run, it makes you feel horrible. But running gives you a much better, like, your mind becomes so clear, and you feel happy also when you do workouts. Now I'm here on the beach. I'm gonna run over to where Roman lives. He lives a bit further down, and then we're gonna run probably 4 times back and forth. It will be 5 or 6 miles almost. The other day we ran 2-3 miles. Oh, fuck. We ran about 1.5 miles or 2 kilometers down the beach one way. Now we're turning around. Now cool off. Come along with me, my friends. Come along with me. I was about to end this video, but I decided to continue the video because I'm also going to show you some of the nightlife, and I'm also making some pasta and chicken here in the kitchen. I've been eating at restaurants for the past 3 weeks, so it's really nice to make my own food finally. These are the biggest carrots I've ever seen in my life. It's like the size of my head. If you didn't know this trick, sometimes these are hard to open because you just can't get the lid to open. So what you have to do is take a little knife, you go like this, and then you press up and it's like bloop, and then you can open it really easy. Bon appetit, my friends, and also a glass of milk. Nom, 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 nom. Cheers to the milk. I put some chicken, beans, tomatoes, and carrots and pasta sauce in this, and pasta. I had to do dishes here also now. It's been a long time since I did dishes. It's nicer to not have to make food and do dishes actually. It's the last mission of today. Film a bit of the nightlife, and then you will have seen pretty much everything of Cabarete, I think, except for some of the suburbs here on this side. As far as I had seen, it seemed like Cabarete is popular for people to go and retire. At night there were not many people out, but here in this clip that I filmed a bit later, you can see that there are many restaurants and bars right on the beach where people gather, and also sometimes they have live music. Later at night it seemed like a lot of people would sit down and eat on the beach, and also some of the bars had some music.
It's open Friday? Okay, but today is no.
I came back and there were almost no people at the bars. I think the tourism probably hasn't really started yet. I think the high season is like mid-December until, I don't know, maybe yeah, through the summer. But thanks for watching this video. It was a really long video. But thanks for watching, and if you watched all the way until the end and you liked watching, then please leave the video a thumbs up. You can also post a comment if you want. But thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. See you next time.